This is so good. This is my combo that I'm eating all the time now. It's just some Worcester. It's just 50-50 Worcester and buffalo hot sauce, the two, half and half. Look, you're already done. Oh, Matt, look at the magic. Blue cheese, which is very rare, but I'm taking a break. I eat like an animal. So look, you just drop your chicken or your meat or whatever you want to have in your little secret sauce that you make in 30 seconds, less than 30, hello. And you put some blue cheese on it. Oh shit, it dropped in the thing. I just eat with ramekins and bowls like this. This is how I eat. I'm telling you, the flavors together, it's like so umami. It's so good. But look, that's it. Mm, mm. No chefing required. Those three things, you put them together, and I'm telling you, it is uh it's game changing. Oh yeah, I cut my proteins with scissors. Mm.